What is up guys, today we will talk about how you guys can buy Toncoins in Telegram wallet. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that we will open up our Telegram wallet. So for that we will go to Telegram and then we will go to the wallet. Now I'm just going to open up my wallet and this is how it will look. Now in the Telegram wallet, what you have to do is you just have to tap on this P2P market section. And the P2P, you just have to tap on this buy. Now in the buy, this is how it will look. Here you just have to select crypto to ton. It should be USDT by default, but you just have to change it to ton. Once you do that, you have to select your payment method. How would you like to pay if you want to specify it, or you can do all types sort of things. Now P2P means you are actually purchasing from another person. You're not purchasing it from the computer or from any platform, but you are actually purchasing from the other persons who are using it to sell. Now as you can see, they have their profiles and these are the trades that they have made. They have their profile verified as well, so you will be able to find trustee or trusted person to buy the Tone coins. I just have to select the one according to you and tap on the buy next to it, and then you just have to enter the amount you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy 100 euros worth of Toncoin, just enter and then tap on this buy, and now it will take you to the Revolut payment method where you have to make payment, and then after some time they'll be able to transfer it to your wallet without any problem. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.